Have you ever wondered how to spin up a cloud server on AWS EC2 in an easier way? Devopness makes it happen in minutes with just a few simple steps. Devopness automates DevOps workflows and helps you manage cloud environments and deploy any application to the cloud. Let's start by selecting an environment within a Devopness project. Then, go to the Server Card section and click Add Server. Pick your cloud provider and get ready to create your server. Devopness supports all major providers, and for this example, I'm choosing AWS. Now let's choose our region and machine configuration. I want my server running in the US East 1 region on the default VPC network and subnet. For instance type, I will go with T3 Medium. For the OS, I'll use the latest Ubuntu version, and for the server name, let's go with Demo AWS. Time to review our server configuration. Everything looks right. Hitting Confirm now. Now we can let Devopness take care of the rest. Our server will be provisioned, and its Linux operating system will be fully configured automatically. And check this out. Along with our server, we get additional resources like network rules, services, and virtual hosts, all fully customizable. Devopness automatically sets up your cloud network firewall for you, applying security settings recommended by each cloud provider. That means configuring security groups and security rules for AWS and Azure, or defining firewall rules on GCP and DigitalOcean, all without you lifting a finger. And here's our new server, publicly accessible. Pretty cool, right? Our server is up and running, fully configured with Linux best practices, NGINX installed and configured, and a sample static web app running smoothly. Manually setting this up could take us around 4 hours, but here it was done automatically in just a few minutes. And that's it. In this video, you've seen how Devopness can provision and configure a cloud server in minutes, saving you hours of manual work. Sign up now for free.